damn it.
You gotta be kidding me.
I don't know where we left off.
I don't either. But we're back at it. Choppers. Oh, we left off with this whole thing. Nothing's changed on it though.
Ah.
Okay, that's all right. Because something's gonna.
Something's gonna change
Yeah.
on it?
See if we can get the oil tank back in.
Oh. You want to try from this way?
No, we have to take the fender off.
Even if you take the fittings out?
Yeah, you can't swing it. That part is hitting here, the center of the fender.
Very cool. Very cool. This is why we don't mix and match.
Oh, this is a mix and match setup.
This is a mix and match setup, yes. Can we just rock her back? Yeah, we're gonna do a little rock back. Here, you take that.
I got it.
Torque specs, follow them.
Strip them back off a quarter.
That's right. Always strip your bolts out so they don't come out. Cross thread.
Stainless. Gollum.
Gollum.
They may be loose, but they'll never come out.
That's right. Dude, we finally have a bench back, kinda.
Kinda. I'll clean it up.
That's cool looking, huh? It was cool with motors on it, but like, now it's cooler without them.
Motors are cool, right?
Motors are sick, bro.
Stainless washers, lock washers.
That's right, we got all the goodies on this piece.
You guys working as a team.
Yeah.
This is a team building exercise. Every bike build is a team building exercise. I think we should try to sell that to like Microsoft or Amazon, corporate.
Oh, it's not a bad idea.
As like a team building exercise, you come and you build a bike together.
You know, you sound really fucking stupid, but that could work.
Bro, did we just make $1 million?
I think we just made $1 million.
Paul, did we all just make $1 million? You're gonna have to head up the expedition though.
Oh, you gotta loosen the bottom.
That's
Do they call them expeditions? We can't do that, huh?
Oh, give me the Allen thing again. Built it, took it apart, built it, took it apart.
Yeah.
I've done this fender 4 times this week.
It's a team building exercise. Get at me, Jobs.
Steve?
Steven.
Steve Jobs.
Steven, call me.
Oh, that's just, I think I had nightmares about doing this.
Yeah, don't paint your frame mint green.
Why?
Because you can't hide a goddamn thing. It doesn't fit with the motor in.
And the motor don't go in with the oil tank.
Sure doesn't. We got it apart somehow.
Yeah, because it wasn't painted.
All this paint's taking up all the extra space.
All the paint's-
George.
Too much paint. Don't lose focus.
Pull it back out. I gotta take the bottom
Stud
one
out.
Yep. Take the one that's closest to the inside out. The other one cleared the mount. I thought I was doing so good. Getting everything preset.
Well, we do it nice because we do it twice. Isn't that how it works? Or 3 times, or 4
That's what
times.
they say at like Applebee's.
You don't have to pay until it's right. We've never been paid.
Yeah,
Call
we.
me, Geico. We got team building exercises. Huh?
Only need to take one out.
Yeah, but the other, I can't get it out without taking the other one out.
Oh, you just have to turn it.
Oh, I just need to turn it? I don't need to take it out?
No, just turn it so the other one clears it.
Like that?
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Is that what you want?
No, you have to take the inside one out, but if you can't get it to clear the other one, just turn this one,
Yeah.
back that off and up to so, or,
Right. That's what I was about to do.
yeah.
But I gotta cock this one back to get the other one out.
This is PQ's time to shine. This is your episode right here, Paul. Let your personality out. Or don't, please.
Maybe don't.
Don't slip and hit your tank.
Well, yeah. There's like here. Hold this fucking thing.
Father-daughter time.
That's it. I love spending time with my Uncle Paul. Do we need to pop this? Should we just pull this stud out too, just to make life easier? No. Hold on.
We're hitting the stud. We're gonna have to take this
Hitting the stud.
5/16 fine nuts.
You're asking for a lot.
Yep.
This is the joys of building motorcycles.
Yeah.
Yeah. This stud's never been out in its fucking life. Fuck. Harbor Freight. Oh shit. Hold the bike.
Heat. We need heat.
Fuck.
This is for when your passenger wants to sleep on the way home.
I'll be the passenger.
That's the one you got that lazy bitch. Lay her right back in the lazy chair. That lazy old bitch.
On my rigid, me and my old lady, we're headed to up by Lake George.
Yeah.
And people are going by, and I'm driving, and all of a sudden I look over, and there's people in their car going. My old lady is sound asleep on the back of the bike, and her head is doing the bobble. I've got no sissy bar. She had her fingers in my belt loops. That was all that was holding her on the bike.
What? She fucking wasted?
Oh yeah.
We out of oxygen? Can you see that gauge?
We are not out of oxygen.
Is it turned way down or something?
What do you want it at? Well,
Does the gauge not even work?
no.
To go to throttleaddiction.com. Click the link in the description. Okay, click the link above me. Okay, Sneed, where are we sending them?
Throttleaddiction.com.
That's right. Buy all your hardtails, buy your t-shirts, buy your gas bottles. We might even stop over, we might even pop over and see him at
That's
some point.
the plan.
All right? If everything works out, which as you can see with the green bike, nothing works out. Might have a pop over and say what's up to Throttle Addiction. Okay? Go subscribe to the YouTube channel.
That thing is hard as a rock.
Fucking weird. I don't know why it's... All right.
I'm trying to get the shot. We're done.
Try it. Ready?
Oh my god, it's warm.
Did it go?
Yeah, it went alright.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Well, now we can use at least use coarse nuts.
Oh!
When you try to weld to it.
God damn it. I don't know if there was anywhere around that.
I don't think that thing was ever coming out.
Grab a 3/8 nut and try welding a nut to it.
You know what the stupid part is? It was spinning.
It started.
Yeah.
I don't know if the whole bolt was spinning or just where it was twisting the brake.
Maybe dry fit when
That was awesome.
Oh, I grinded with that.
You did? You fuck.
I forgot I did that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good?
You were there.
Was I?
I thought.
Frick.
There was one.
I might have put it back. Definitely something. Here it is, gone.
Is it?
Broke right off.
All right. You want to, before we give up, I have an idea.
Okay.
Welding a bolt.
Look at this. Team building exercise, people. See, all talking to all you CEOs that watch out there. Come do an explanation, do a demo. Hold the bike, Paul. Ooh, it's hot.
You want the longer ratchet?
Yeah.
I want longer everything.
It's right there.
Should we impact it?
I don't know. Let's try this first. And then if you don't make headway,
Oh, we need a parade of Hedwig right now for this.
Yeah, I don't think. Ooh, thick spine, but whatever. We tried.
Sorry. Looks like we gotta drill it.
Before we go any farther, let's make sure the oil tank will go in once we get this out.
Well, good work, guys.
Yep, good. All in a day's work. All in a day's work. Wow. That's a fucking chopper, baby. Okay. Let's put this tank back.
I mean, it looks fucking good.
It looks great. It's gonna be a cool bike. No. Oh God. The family made me eat a bunch of gluten this week.
It's all part of the game.
Ain't nothing we haven't dealt with before. But the oil bag does fit with the stud out. So that's a plus.
We learned something.
That is a plus. But that's all right. Tomorrow's another day. We're going to restart. Tuesday. We only got, I don't know, 19 more days left to finish the McLeod.
Where are we at now?
Not very far.
These haven't moved since they got here.
Nope.
You saw this.
Front end's on. I got to take the front end back off. And then I think fender and oil tank can go on next. Picking up the motor this week. That's very exciting.
Very.
So yeah, all right. So we're good. We're good. I'll get you the carburetor. But none of that matters. All that matters is to like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe. We've been on YouTube for a minute now. Okay? Not as long as some people, but long enough to where you need to know you got to go like and subscribe. Okay? Like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to life. Like and subscribe to Fresh Paint. Okay?
Yeah.
If anybody's ever done this, you know it's terrifying. Okay? And when you got two and a bunch of clumsy idiots, scary. So like and subscribe. We're going to be at Virginia City Roundup the 26th. We're going to be crossing the fucking country. If you have an RV, hit us up.
We need an RV.
We need an RV. If you want to drive, that would be the best. Okay? RV to pull a trailer, maybe drive if you're into that. You can come with us. It'll be a blast. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Next time what?
On the next like and subscribe.
I have to say it?
We both say it back and forth.
I don't get much of a chance.
Why don't you just say it?
I just talk over you?
Yeah.
I don't want to talk over you.
You
should be happy that I don't talk over you.
Why?
I don't know.
I would love that.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah.
No, you would
Yes.
not. You would not like that.
You would. I would like that. It would be fine. Do you see I hung the gas tank?
Ah.
I haven't hung this one yet, but we still got a little bit more time on it. Fine. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, dude. Wow.
Like and subscribe, John.
Wow. You really ran me over on that one.